So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are back inside some more Roblox Hide and Seek Extreme, and the backyard is our map for this time. So it is pretty late night right now, and I'm going to my magical spot actually. This place right here. This is like a god spot, so if like I can see, so if he goes like straight up there to the spawner, so it's pretty cool, and I can make it back to the birdhouse and he'll not all check right there. And if I see he's coming right down here, so I can run at the moment. So let's see if you're successful, because last time we tried this and we were not successful. Let's do it. The nervous part. Let's do this. Okay, let's see. Okay. So let's check it out. Oh, okay. It's not able to go up there. Oh, okay. It just went there. Now, what we can do is make our way to the birdhouse. Alright, first time we're successful. Now, what we gotta check is if it is coming up there. And if it is coming up there, we need to be pretty safe. Oh, it also has the golden dogger. And I too have it. Okay. Okay. Alright, I don't think it can see me. Though it can see a little bit of the sparkles. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna move towards here. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, is it trying to like come up there? Once it like comes on the bench, so I'm gonna make my way straight through those leaves and over there and grab all of those coins. Lovely, lovely coins. It is never gonna get me. It never. Oh, look at all of those people. Alright, let's stop spectating for a while. And what we can actually do is I'm gonna come up here and what we are actually gonna do, Udi is super far away from me. I'm gonna try to go up there. Oh, that was an extra boost. Thank you for that. Oh, more than 700 studs. That's just like over a mile. Not at all. Alright, so we are kind of like safe. Alright, still pretty far away from me. Does it seem there's way over here? I don't know. We'll play safe. We'll actually play safe. We'll come back here. And I actually don't think it can see over there. Alright, so we're gonna quickly stop spectating. And it's getting further and further from me. So we're gonna make our way right here. We're gonna taunt real quick. Literally, there are like 9 people alive still. I don't know what to make here. Okay. We just won. Okay. Oh, just found 2 players? Okay.